To learn how to create drawing views, we will continue to use the FSAE steering wheel drawing from the previous example. In the previous example, you saw it was possible to create drawing views at the time when you first create the drawing file. Now we will see how to add views to a drawing that already exists. The first view is typically referred to as the base view. Let's start the base view tool from the drop-down or by selecting the icon on the left. For reference and representation, we use Create New and Model. For appearance options, we'll switch to the top view and change the style to visible edges, and we'll try the half scale. When we move the view to position, it's a bit large, so we'll change it back to quarter scale. Now, click to place the view, and then pick OK to generate the view. You can left-click to select the view, or double-click to edit the view, which will restore the dialog used to define it. With the dialog open, I can experiment with different view styles, seeing the hidden edges, seeing the model shaded, or shaded with visible edges. We will leave it unchanged and close the dialog. Now we'll go to the second icon and select Projected View. We need to choose an existing view to be the parent. Then move the preview up and click to place it. Then click a view to the right side. Then moving up at an angle, we can click to place an isometric view. We'll click OK to generate the views, and then double-click the isometric view to bring up the drawing view dialog, which shows that the style of this view is currently derived from the parent view. We have the option to override the style or even change the scale. For example, we can try setting the isometric view to shaded, and we can also double-click to change it back and then save the drawing.